everyone, welcome to 3D Wonders. This is Pat. At 3D Wonders, we help our customers to find the right 3D scanner and software for the reverse engineering and inspection needs.
Today, we're on the shop floor to demonstrate a complete scan-to-inspection workflow using the FreeScan Omni. In mold manufacturing, accurately checking cavity dimensions is critical to ensure parts meet design specifications. Traditional inspection often involves multiple tools and complex steps. FreeScan Omni simplifies this by combining scanning and inspection into a single standalone workflow. With preset templates and an intuitive interface, operators can scan the part and generate consistent inspection results directly on the scanner. Let's get started.
First, we scan the global markers on the mold to establish a reliable reference frame for stable tracking. Next, we use the 93-line mode to quickly scan the mold. Fully wireless, Omni is easy to use even in busy, cable-free shop floors. Once the mesh data is ready, it's time for the game changer. With FreeScan Omni's integrated PTB-certified Shiny 3D Inspect module, everything changes. The inspection runs directly on the scanner. Once approved, tap the View Report button to instantly generate an audit-ready PDF with all key inspection data clear, traceable, and ready for quality review.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.